Salamun alaikum. Who is the sole authority to give fatwa?
Salamun alaikum, Ibn Mubarak Dam Tayyiba. Dear audience, my dear brothers and sisters, now I am going to answer the question, and question is, who is the sole and whole authority to give or provide the fatwa? Because nowadays we are listening this type of lecture all around the world. That means so-called Islamic lecturer, Islamic scholar, they are giving the lecture and they are providing the fatwa. Fatwa, that means legal opinion regarding Islam or ruling regarding Islamic issues, Islamic aspects of human being. So that is being done. That means they are giving fatwa. But question is, who is the sole and whole authority to give fatwa? In accordance to the glorious Quran, Allah has told and mentioned in Surah Nisa, Surah number 4, verse number 127 and verse number 176, Allah has said this like to Salam Muhammad, وَيَسْتَفْتُونَكَ. Allah has taught Salam Muhammad and dictated Salam Muhammad, وَيَسْتَفْتُونَكَ. When the people will come to you, they will come you to know, يَسْتَفْتُونَكَ فِي النِّسَاءِ. When people will come to you and they will ask you about women, about kalala, then qul Allah yuftikum. That means you say, you just tell Allah is giving fatwa. Yuftikum. After yufti, yufti. After yufti, ifta. It's a verbal noun. It is called in Arabic grammar babu ifal, and that means active participle. So, Allah has told to Salam Muhammad, when people will ask you about fatwa regarding or concerning women or kalala, just you say, Allah yuftikum fihinna. Allah is giving ruling, Allah is giving fatwa about themselves. But nowadays, the mullahs or so-called Islamic scholars, they are giving fatwa and they are writing fatwa. They have no right to give any fatwa, but Allah belongs all the rights of fatwa. Allah reserves all the fatwa. Allah deserves all the power, all the majesty, all the status to give fatwa. So none has right to give any fatwa as per Quranic verse, as per Quranic dictation. So if anyone try to give any fatwa, he will make himself ilah. He is like ilah. That is very, very unpardonable crime. That is shirk. Shirk, that is unpardonable, unforgivable crime. So when anyone, any mullah, any so-called alim or so-called Islamic scholar try to give any fatwa, but try to provide any fatwa regarding any issue of human being, human life, that is completely rejected. Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala belongs all the power of giving fatwa, of ruling. That is proven, that is tested by Surah An-Nisa, Surah number 4, verse number 127 and 176. Because Allah has declared Himself in Surah Baqarah, Surah number 2, verse 165, Annal quwwata lillahi jamiyya. Annal quwwata, very the world powers belongs to Allah. Whole power, entire powers belongs to Allah Almighty. And Allah says another verse, Inil hukmu illa lillah. There is no any legislator. There is no any other lawgiver except Allah. Allah is one and only lawgiver, only policy maker, only giver of the law, lawgiver. So none has right to give any law. This is very, very clear. If you want to be a Muslim, just you follow the Quran only and you just follow the fatwa of Allah, the complete ruling of Allah Almighty. Nobody and none has right to give any fatwa, any ruling as per Quran. Assalamu alaikum. Mubarak.